Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is sending a message to the landlord, Erica, as is saying, she allegedly has people taking her pictures in public places. And so she's sending this message to her, for her to cease and desist from what she's doing allegedly. So, guys, go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post it, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my subscribers, and my family, I wish you a beautiful day. And now what I have to say is to keep yourself out of trouble at all times. Sometimes we want to say the things, that we want people to think, but we have to ensure that we are not allowing them to draw us out a certain way to say things that may cause us um, problems in the future. So we have to ensure that we're watching the words that we're saying and not allowing others to draw us to a certain length to let them get the anger out of us or to get us angry enough to say things that we do not really mean. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video and have yourselves a super beautiful day.
Just remember that. So if you think you can fuck yourself with me and board, me got the people a trail me away if you do for what you can do. Any bumbleclot man will take my picture, they on video camera. They on video camera from Golden Cross. I went to Golden Cross and buy my porridge. And camera is there. So anybody take my picture. Camera is inside and outside. I can see who it is. Let me tell you something. You only have to your mouth. Don't fuck yourself with me too much. Cause me get very serious. And if me get very serious, somebody is going down. And if I'm me, I saw. Well, I'm letting you know. You're nobody for me to go to prison for. And you're not nobody for me dead over. So you take your little dirty pussy old self and back way. You hear me I tell you, because anybody will take my picture, their footage is on that video camera. That I can have the police department. Let me make it clear. You see the man who not freak with? And I talk about and shit. A grandson, a big inspector. A big inspector. With the NY department. You see granddaughter? Fox 5 News anchor. Go on about your business. You think you're idiot people not ramp without you? You think you're idiot people? You're idiot. Go make your blood clot money. Pussy old woman. Me address you. And don't fuck yourself with me. Me make you in your blood clot house. Pussy old and can't come out. Me tell you already say. The blood clot man when me a ramp, when me a date. Him no pussy clot ramp. Me will make you sit down in your blood clot house. Erica the landlord. And you can't step foot out of your blood clot house of Portland. You want to try me, bitch? I will make you have to sit down in your blood clot house of Portland and can't come out. You want this thing get blood clot dirty? Keep on fucking yourself with me. You want to sit down in that blood clot piece of garbage house and can't come out? You can't go road no time and drive out. And Jamaica police can't come lay away and keep your eye because of your fucking dirty pussy old mouth and chocolate hard. Either keep it their mouth, keep it their life. You're a fucking liar. Nobody not trail me, nobody can't trail me. Fucking somebody coming if you buy something, me say exactly who the person is. And if me want to get blood clot serious, we can make the NYPD involved. And Golden Cross have to show that footage. Who take my camera? Who take video and video me? You are play dangerous and who play more dangerously. just remember that.
Welcome. Please take your ticket. Please proceed into the lot.
You better find no. You don't know we are blood clot ramp with no bitch. You don't know who we are ramp with. You don't know who you're playing with. Me not ask you. You don't know we are ramp with. You don't see it dead already. You don't see a blood clot dead already. You don't know we are rampant. You stay the create. You stay create full I do blogging to make your people act like or whatever. Me tell you say you know. Alright, it's okay. It look like say you want I bet you me get a footage there. I bet you me find out who take me with the camera. I bet you me find out who come take the picture. And put ambush on post office. Yeah, violate. You're violating. You're violating. This blood clot will get dirty. I told you already. You don't want to fuck with me. Get it already. You're ugly, you're old, and you're stupid, and you're poor. You don't work it. You don't work it. Just don't work it. You're fucking ugly, you're half dead, and you're fucking poor. You don't work it. If you want this to get dirty, then get dirty. The phone must not work properly. The phone must not work properly. I'm handbag there. Okay, my purse. Tell me if you can't hear me. Stupid blood clot, man. It's a blood clot. My people are full of sin and full of crosses, trials and tribulation. They don't want people to look like them. Filthy and dirty. How am I doing it? How am I doing it? Idiot business. I the key me look for. You can never find key. We'll probably drop it down in the back. Me not tell like outer door hot. Outer door is very hot. Outer door. Outer door is very, very hot. When I hear me good? I was saying, this look a bitch ass woman. No one keep herself quiet. And over there talk about how she could have make man do me something. The footage is on camera. The footage is on camera. Holding cross me there. The footage is on camera. And the best picture ever have for your page. At girl Marcia. You're right here have me on front page because that's exactly where I belong. Right up in the front. At Gala Road. Yeah, clean at these things. That's exactly what I'm supposed to do. Right near front of the video. Because me is a superstar. You have to advertise me. You don't see more to advertise you give me. It's only star can get advertised and commercial. That's it. You advertise me. Yes, so you're right to take a picture of me act, me look good. 51 years and I'm look damn good. My legs them good and straight and pretty. They're not big like a buffalo. Yeah. You can't cuss about my belly because your belly bang. Yeah. Your belly bang. What your belly supposed to be? Are your body supposed to be there? See, so same thing when you tell me, same thing like you. Just straight bad. You're mother, man. Remember. Say. Camera not tell lie. That the place is full of civilians camera. If more want the footage, we can get and see how and get that person in trouble. If I want, I can go deep and get to see who that person come and take me. I see. You don't get where you want because you tell the people them say the whole of my van front mash up and my van front look good. I just a little light the suburbs because you look relevancy. Any blood clot body can look at my vehicle and see say just a light mash. The whole of the bumper look blood clot good. Right this I could have just patch. Use a bumper clot liad. So me glad say the bitch ass dirty boy or dirty girl take the picture and send it on you. For sure you say my bumper up and running. My bumper not have to change if I just patch. Just to show you. I just a light mash. And the little part right there so crack. The whole of the vehicle is intact. And you tell people say so me glad. Me glad to somebody take it come you. To show you say it's a liar. My vehicle still look good up and running except for light mash. And me put the tape on it. And the light still works that way. You talk about say you could have get somebody come lit me. Making come lit me in a public place, a golden cross me there. Yes, a golden cross me was. And nobody never follow me from the wherever me is. Me know who was behind me and who merged on the highway. Nobody could never follow me from the highway because me stop on my bill father. Me stop. So if somebody not follow me, they will not follow me and continue to follow me. A customer come in here and take it and recognize me. So if somebody not follow me, they follow me and can take more picture. Me glad all you go and say no. Me glad all you behave so. That only give me more evidence to pile for you. What a way that Jamaica show off yourself and go on. Bad people who have money are foreign. What a way. What a way you are going to go on if somebody who have US dollar foreign. Oh, you are going nice. You're going on very nice. You're going on very, very nice. Oh, I'm a channel. I'm mad you. Because I'm a channel I will give you a run for your money. Cause the money we're supposed to get, the money when me I get that shit, I got, and you it a dip in your pocket. Cause the crowd come over me said we.